media can broadly be classified into four categories: the print media, the audio media, the video media, and the IT, information technology. The print media can further be divided into periodical and non-periodical. The non-periodical print media are the leaflets, the pamphlets, the booklets, the books. The periodical print media are newsletters, newspapers, magazines, which are printed either daily, weekly, fortnightly, monthly, quarterly, biannually, or annually. The audio media, it can be stored. Previously, audio cassette was there, which today is obsolete. Today, the audio is more stored on audio compact discs, on DVDs, on pen drives. It can be used at individual level, on a group level, or a public level. Individual level, if you have a desktop in your house or your office, an audio equipment, a desktop model, you can listen to it individually in your house or in your office. You can listen to it while moving, while walking, while running, on a Walkman, on a Discman. It can be used in a vehicle, while traveling in a car, in a bus, in a train, in a plane, with audio equipment fitted in the vehicle. It can be used on a public level through the broadcast, through the radio broadcast. Each media has a different impact.